Okay, I put fuel in the tank and put it on a reserve, checked it for leaks, everything was good. This is gonna be the first time that this bike's been started since I put it together. First time the engine's been started since it was put together 42 years ago. So we've got a brand new engine. I set the carburetors at 1.5 turns on the air mixture controls, just kind of get it universal. So see how she does. You see it's ice cold. This thing, I've never started it, never tried to start it. Choke on. Definitely running well on that cylinder, nice and warm. In there, good and warm. Set the idle down just a hair. Should be good.